Hi, my name is Aulia from Indonesia. I'm a mechanical engineering graduate, currently involved with Formula Legacy or Formula for Indonesia. I'm also a mentee in the FIA Women in Motorsport Mentorship Program. This is my video of how I want to get into the scholarship in business management. So my journey in motorsport start from my background in mechanical engineering. I'm taking material science in engineering, and those interests expand into automotive and eventually lead myself into motorsport industry because automotive has been part of our study in mechanical engineering. It all begins during my university year. We have a lot of competition, and my first competition was a Shell Eco Marathon Asia Pacific in Mandalika. So Indonesia has this one circuit, and it was actually my first time and our university first time to participating in motorsport international event as a student. So during those times, me and my friends learn about this Shell Eco Marathon, and we decide why are we not going to compete into this kind of event. So after that, we start to collecting a teams and proposing this proposal into our professor and our university then. And this is how I began my journey in motorsport. I had the opportunity to join the FIA Women in Motorsport mentorship program, where I connect with mentors from this global motorsport ecosystem, and this experience has been helping me to build my networks and my portfolio as well into the motorsport industry. After that, I start to try looking for volunteer here and there, and finally it all leads to my participation in Formula for Indonesia as their business support. I'm coming from Indonesia, and the motorsport ecosystem in here is still developing. I see this as a strong opportunity to contribute to its growth, to help them to expand the network. I was once a student who's competing and understand how it is to uh, to try pushing ourselves, to try to get a recognition in international opportunities such as Eco Marathon. And then I'm not gonna lie, we're facing limited access and opportunity, but today, through my involvement in Formula for Indonesia, I am starting to be in the positioning where I can contribute to creating this opportunity for another student and people who love motorsport like me. So through this master program, I aim to firstly gain an international knowledge, that was first, and then having an international exposure to help me develop Indonesian ecosystem, and then this opportunity surely offer me a global network as well, which I plan to bring back to Indonesia. With the country preparing to further develop its motorsport industry, including including the organization in Formula 4, I want to contribute to building a more structured ecosystem based on what I've learned in this scholarship, and then supporting the young talents and creating the sustainability opportunities so a future talent of Indonesia can compete internationally. So, if I am grant this opportunity, I believe this program will play an important role in shaping my professional journey in motorsport. It will help me develop a deeper understanding, that's obvious, and it will help me to understand more how the business in motorsport is conducted and how to do a proper management side of motorsport. And I believe with my engineering background, because I come from mechanical engineering and currently involved directly in motorsport business knowledge, I am to bridge this technical knowledge uh, with the combination of my business capability, and I think this will allow me to contribute more within the global motorsport industry, and it will be a huge step for Indonesia if I can assist them, assist anyone and any team in Indonesia who wants to compete globally. And lastly, what I want to say is receiving this scholarship will not only accelerate my personal development, but it also enable me to create a meaningful impact within the motorsport community where I came from. Obviously, I came from Indonesia, and I truly wish and hope that I can bring all of this back to Indonesia and help them and support them to have a better management in motorsport. Thank you.